Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to show you guys what a bad power steering pump sounds like. Here's this 2000 Toyota Tundra truck that I'm sitting in right now. It sat for like a few days and it's been giving a bad whining sound, which shows signs of a bad power steering pump. Before, it has had those sounds prior, and what I did temporarily was just fill it back with power steering fluid, but eventually that whining sound came back. So I want to show you guys what it sounds like right now. So let's do this. Window. So you hear that whining sound. Let me steer the steering wheel left and right. Yeah, so as you can hear, the power steering pump is bad, and you can tell by hearing the whining sound. So when you hear that whining sound, that means you have a bad power steering pump and you need to replace it. Before, when I encountered this issue, I had just poured additional power steering fluid, just making sure I checked the levels. It was low, so I poured some more to temporarily eliminate that sound, which it did kind of help, but eventually down the line, I knew I'm going to have to change the power steering pump. Here is pretty much what I'm showing you, what a bad power steering pump sounds like. If you encounter that whining sound like this, when you're turning, it's signs of a bad power steering pump and you have to change it. So I'm gonna show you where the location of the power steering pump is, so that way you guys know, and in an upcoming video I will show you guys how to remove it. When it comes to replacing this, I do highly recommend you consult with an experienced mechanic. Alright guys, so as you can hear the sound, it is a bad power steering pump. And if you head right over here, so this is the front. Yeah, so to the left of your radiator, you're gonna look down right here, right under the intake. You look closely right here, that pulley. There you go. Right there, that's your power steering pump. So you're gonna have to remove quite a few things. I'll show you in another video, but I just wanted to show you guys the location of the power steering pump. And what you would need to do is you're gonna have to remove the whole intake assembly right here, cover, and then you're probably gonna have to move one of the hoses to the side, so that way you can have room to remove that and replace it. So I just wanted to show you guys in this video. So the next time I'll show you guys when I remove it and replace it. But just to show you what a bad power steering pump sounds like, this is how it sounds like when you're dealing with the issue. Alright guys, so I'll show you right now after I had poured power steering fluid. The whining sound did kind of tone down a bit, but obviously when you hear that sound, it's the sign of a bad power steering pump. But I'm going to show you as I steer left and right. It is, I mean, it's not as whiny as it was when I showed you guys earlier, but that does eliminate the issue when you do check your power steering fluid level and you fill it up. But eventually in the long run, like I had stated, you're still gonna have to change the power steering pump when you do hear that whining sound. So I'm gonna be doing that soon in another video. So I do hope that this video was at least informative for you guys to know the issue when you do encounter that sound. So that way you guys are aware of what's going on with your truck. So again, this is a 2000 Toyota Tundra. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next video.